5 hospitalized, including 2 children, after carbon monoxide leak at Atlanta hotel. Carbon monoxide leak prompts evacuation of 100 guests from Atlanta hotel early Friday morning. Atlanta Fire Rescue Department responded swiftly to the carbon monoxide emergency at Residence Inn. 3 adults and 2 children were hospitalized due to the hazardous carbon monoxide exposure. The leak was detected at around 8:30 a.m., causing immediate action and evacuation. Carbon monoxide levels were alarmingly high, necessitating urgent medical attention for affected guests. Stay informed with our channel for more breaking news updates.